So you can see that this is the left side view, this is the right side view, and this is what you can see from the rear view mirror. Okay, I'm going to show you the difference now. Yeah, now this is with my rear dash cam. Now if you see, the rear view mirror is still showing me the same perspective, right? But the moment I turn on the camera, it shows me much more. It's like a whole wide angle lens that is there in the back. It is actually giving me more info than my side mirrors. This is the front camera, this is the back camera. The only drawback is when there is a, like in this mode, it stretches the image, so it strips off from the top and the bottom.